Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the default font in Microsoft Word permanently. So let's start the tutorial. So firstly, open Microsoft Word application, then click on the blank document. Now under the home section, you can see here Times New Roman is the default font. Now to change the font, click on this down arrow. Now as you can see here, Times New Roman as the default font selected. Now to change the font, select the font that you want to make the default font. So I want to make Calibri as the default font. So I selected this Calibri font, and below you'll see here set as default. Just click on it, and now click on the second option to change the default font permanently. Click OK. You can see here it has been changed into Calibri. Now let's see by closing the Word program, and let's reopening the Word application again and see if it is changed or not. As you can see here, earlier it was Times New Roman. Now it has been changed the default font as Calibri. So this is how you can easily change the default font in Microsoft Word. So if you are finding this video useful, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.